Welcome guys. In this session I'm going to show you how you can use the post and get method as an if else condition for user login. Okay, suppose we have a page called as welcome page, and if the user has posted something, okay, uh, through the post method he is going to post it, and if he is posting something, and automatically the get method should be used to navigate him to the next page. Okay, see, I'll write it here in comments. Okay, using uh, post and get methods for auto navigation of the user as if we are using an if else condition. Okay, let's say suppose we have a welcome page of something. Okay, so let me just create an app dot route for that particular page. So they will have to say welcome page. Okay, so welcome page is ready with us. Okay, and to go to this page, the user can use any one of the methods from either post or get. So let me write that post comma get, so they can use this one. And if suppose he's not entering anything, so he has to give his username and password, or name and location where he's from. So I'll say defaults. Okay, that is going to be like a dictionary JSON format. So I'm going to say here he has to give the name, okay, which is going to be eCoders, and the next is the location, okay, which he's supposed to give it as Bangalore. Okay, we have our route like this. Okay, and now let me just copy this. Okay, this is in case that he doesn't give any kind of username and password, sorry, the name and location. But if he gives the name, okay, in the URL itself like this, okay, string colon name, okay, then it's fine. It doesn't have to take any kind of default values. Okay, so we are mentioning like this. So a name has to be entered from the URL as well. If it doesn't take, it is going to take the name as the eCoders. And from here you can just remove of these defaults. This is not required anymore because it's mentioned here at the top itself. Okay, now let us create that function. So let us say show welcome page. So this is going to show us our welcome page. Okay, and when it's showing the welcome page, it is going to take a name variable and it is going to display on the screen. So let me say here in the return statement, single quotes h1, then close the single quotes for the h1 like this, and here I'm going to say like this, hello, and like this is going to be the welcome page. Hello, I'll put a comma over here and I will say welcome to the home page or welcome page of the application. That's it. Okay, so this is a welcome page which uses both the methods to get logged into the this particular page. Okay, now we have to create a form. Okay, if it is post, automatically it should show us the form, and the response for that, it is going to be in the get method like a if else condition. Okay, I'm going to use it as an if else condition. If the method is get, okay, get us the form. Okay, else we'll see, will it will directly go to the post method and it's going to show us the name and the location of that particular welcome page here in the welcome page. Okay, so let us create that particular function. Okay, and for that, to show that particular form, okay, we are going to have a route, okay, for that particular student or any particular person. I'm going to say the form. Okay, we are going to show that particular form to them, and it is going to use the methods. Okay, in like this, I'm going to say post as well as get. Okay, so let me come here and say comma, again single quotes, get. So there is a method, okay, there are both the methods post and get, using which he can use to open this particular form page. Okay, so let us create that particular function. So I'm going to say show the form. Okay, and let's come here, put a colon symbol, come to the next line, and here I'm going to mention like any if else condition. If the requested method, okay, request dot, okay, method, okay, if it is equal to get, okay, if this is the case, then show us our form. So I'm going to return that HTML form like this. Okay, I'm going to return the HTML form. Okay, but if that is not the case, okay, it will come to the else block and it will directly take him to the welcome page. So there in the welcome page, here he has to get, we have to request, okay, request from the form something that is coming as the name of the person, okay, and then the location as well. Location also we are going to request from that particular form, okay, called as location. Okay, and we are going to say you just show us on the screen. So I'm going to say like this, return, I'll mention it like this. Okay, you just have to redirect me to the welcome page. So I'm going to use a function redirect, which is an inbuilt function in Flask, and inside that you are going to pass one more function that is called as url underscore for. Okay, these are the two inbuilt functions which you will be needing, and these two we are supposed to import at the top of the application. Okay, so let us go to the top and let's just write those two here. See guys, we already have request, and along with the request, okay, you are going to mention that I need one more function, okay, that is called as url for. Okay, so we have both our functions ready with us and they are successfully imported. And now again we are going to mention one more function we require, is that is redirect. Okay, so let me just save this and let me come here at the bottom of the file, and here, okay, here in line number 103 we are going to mention that particular welcome page name. Okay, so here we are supposed to mention like this, okay, url underscore for inside that function, okay, in single quotes. Okay, I'm going to mention the welcome page name, okay, whatever the name we have given over here. So let me just copy that from the top over here, paste it here. Okay, and here two parameters are going to come. Okay, so one is the name parameter, okay, which they have named it as name itself. Okay, and one more parameter is there which is called as location. Okay, that is going to be the same name which they have kept, called as location. That's it. Okay, now let us design the form once again, like how we have done it over here. So let me just copy this entire form itself and paste it over here like this. And so first of all, here you are just going to mention the form, because that is the form you are going to see, okay, which is using the post method. Okay, and here name is not username anymore, it is going to be just name, because that is the name I've used over here. And here it's not going to be the password anymore. Okay, it is going to be the text, and name is going to be the location. Okay, name is going to be the location, and in placeholder I'm going to say please enter your name and please enter your location. That's it. Okay, and instead of login, okay, we'll just remove that and we'll just have a submit button. That's it. Okay, now let me just save it and let's open that particular form first. So to open the form, we will have to put this particular URL, okay, that is appending the URL called as the form, enter, and it is going to show you the form, okay, which is going to take you to the form page. See, this is the form page, and now the method it has used is get. Now, as soon as this is done, okay, if the method is post, okay, it is going to show you this particular page. Okay, so now let us enter. Means whenever you whenever you click on the submit button, the method is going to get changed to post, and you are going to see this particular URL on the screen. Means you are going to get navigated to the welcome page. Okay, you are going to get automatically going to get navigated to the welcome page. So here is that particular page. So now let me just give any kind of name, and location is Bangalore. I click on submit, and as we can see, do you mean show welcome page instead? Okay, 1 second. So let me just change this name to the function name which we have kept. Show, show welcome page. So this is the one. Let me copy it from here and paste it over here. Okay, now let me just save this one and try to run the application once again. Okay, so let me just go back to the form. So / the form, enter, and let me enter the username and password. Username and location, not password. So Bangalore, and click on submit. Okay, so as you can see, so we have navigated to the welcome page, but okay, we are not getting the name welcome to the home page or welcome page. Okay, so we are not getting the home page. Okay, that is because here, okay, I forgot to mention the format format as the name. Okay, whatever the name is coming, I did not match that. So let me just refresh this, and as you can see now, whatever the name I had typed here, okay, that is appearing on the welcome page as well. Okay, so this method is acting like an if the method is get show me the form, and if they click on the submit, the method is going to get changed to post, and you're going to get automatically navigated to the welcome page of this application. Okay, so this is how you can redirect. Okay, this is how you can redirect the user automatically from one page to another page based on get method or post method. Okay, so that is why we here will be using the redirect method, and the URL where we are going to redirect him is towards this particular function. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I'll see you in the next ones.